how to file jointly in TurboTax. So first you gotta go to TurboTax website and sign in to your account. Now you will need to start or open your tax return to start the filing process. And during the process, when you're asked, you want to choose married, and from here click on plan to file jointly. And then you will be prompted to enter your spouse's information, such as the name, the birth date, the social security number. And then you would continue normally through the interview and include both incomes, both W-2s or 1099s, etc. And then review both spouses' combined tax return details and confirm and continue the filing process. And if you already started as single, you want to find the filing status and just change it to married filing jointly. So you can find that by expanding the tax tools. Click on tools and then topic search. And in here type status and scroll down and click on status filing and press go. And it should take you to the page where you can change the status to married filing jointly. And then you would need to add your spouse details and continue the process. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.